Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining. Today I'm firing up the pit barrel cooker. I hadn't cooked on it in a while. Just thought I'd give it some love. We've got some oak lump charcoal in there, fixing to get it fired up. So we're gonna hang some ribs in it, okay? I got a rack of baby backs and a rack of St. Louis. Now the baby backs we're just doing salt and pepper. On the St. Louis though, we're trying out one of Uncle Steve's shakes, new rubs. It's the competition pig powder or something like that. Yeah, this stuff right here. Can't wait to give it a try. I hadn't tried it out yet. Should be a good show. Y'all stick around.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with the beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
All right, let's get these ribs rubbed up while we're waiting for that pit barrel to come up to temp. I'm just gonna coat it with a little olive oil here, a little spray. No big deal. I did peel the membrane off, but I left this flap on. I like that flap meat, man. That's good stuff. All right, so for Karen's baby back ribs, I've got about a 60-40 mix, 60% black pepper cracked and kosher salt, 40%. Okay, so 50-50 mix, probably good. And I got way too much here, I believe. You don't need to go real super heavy on it. But Karen just wanted to try some ribs with just salt and pepper, so we're gonna hook her up. For my St. Louis, I'm doing competition pig powder, like I said earlier. Man, all Uncle Steve's shakes are really, really good, y'all. Look at that color on that. Holy cow. That looks good, man. It's a brand new bottle, so it's packed pretty full, y'all. Give me a second. Salt and pepper rub. Going on Karen's. All right, let me get this one coated down real good. We'll be right back. All right, my pit barrel cooker should be getting up to heat pretty good. It's been about 10 minutes or so since I finished rubbing down these ribs. Let's go ahead and hang these ribs in there. See how beautiful that looks? Look at there. Check it out, man. Put these over here. All right, and I'm gonna put these over here, like this. There we go. Cover that baby back up. And folks, one thing I love about these, let me get you up here. One of these pit barrel cookers, one of the things I love about them is you just put a little bit of charcoal on the bottom with some, like a minion method that you do on the Weber Smoky Mountain. Same way you set this up. But the heat is adjusted by an opening that you set for your elevation, okay? So I've got mine set. You just put your meat on there after you have this thing lit up. And you just walk away and let it go. And usually mine cooks about 275, 280, somewhere in that range. So my ribs probably going to be done in about 4 hours, I'm guessing. We'll see. Anyway, it's right about noon now, so we'll bring you back here when they're getting close. I'm not going to spritz them or do anything to them. Definitely not going to wrap them. I'm just going to leave them hanging in there. And you may think they'll burn up being that close hanging over the charcoal, but you watch at the end, folks. This is a great little rib machine, cooking machine. Well, it's a good cooker, y'all. I'm gonna enjoy this, and I think y'all will too. Stick around. All right, we've been 4 hours. Let's check on these ribs. Again, let that smoke get on out of there. Hang on there. Now let's check on these baby backs first. These should be done. Oh yeah, baby. Check that out. I'm seeing some nice pullback on the bones. We've got some nice cracks forming in the thing, and what I like to do is poke it and see how tender it is. Yep, these are done, definitely done. And I don't really go by temp, but if you're looking at temp, these are 208, 210. How about that? Yep, those are definitely done. So I'm gonna take these and put these over here on the tray. I'm gonna check the other ones real quick. Let's give these a check. See how these are doing. I think these are probably ready too. Doggone, man. That'd be cool if both of them ready at the same time. Love the color on that, man. Awesome color. All right, let's check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these are done. And temp on these, same. 209, 210. So we're looking good. I bring these in. I'm gonna let these rest, covered, just tinted in foil, and at that point, give it about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll cut into them, see what they taste like. All right, I've been letting these ribs rest for about 15-20 minutes, and again, just check out that gorgeousness, folks. The backside. Oh yeah, they falling apart. Hot diggity dog. And I thought it'd be appropriate to use this knife that was sent to me by the good people over there at Pit Barrel Cooker. It's a Christmas gift. Let's check these ribs out, see if I can cut without hitting the bone, which I usually can't do. But we'll give it a shot. Nope, not gonna work. All right, let's go this way. Baby backs are always kind of difficult to cut because of the angle of the rib. You know what I mean? Cut a few of these off here. And let's cut one of these big ones over here. There we go. All right, now throw these babies over here. Throw them over there. And that's what we got. Let's see. How about that? Nice smoke ring. Plenty juicy. All right, I'm gonna set one of these aside. We're gonna cut the other rack up real quick, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, this is the rack of the St. Louis ribs. Let's go ahead and cut us a few of these. Let's see how these turned out. Tasting pretty good, Karen? Sweet. Sometimes simple is best, man. Just salt and pepper. There you go. Some of that, some of that. There you go, guys. Again, plenty juicy. I'm telling you, the Pit Barrel Cooker, that is a smoking machine. See the little flap down there? Oh yeah, baby. All right, got our 2 samples. Let's give it a taste. All right, first off, the salt and pepper baby back ribs. Let's see how these turned out. I know they're gonna be good. They smell terrific, folks. Look at that. That is so good. You're right, Karen, that's good. Try it sometime, just 50-50 mix or 60-40 mix. Salt and pepper, folks.
I like being able to taste the meat.
Yeah, you can actually taste the pork. It's really nice. Really, really nice. And me, I like the black pepper, so that's I do the 60% black pepper and 40% kosher salt.
I like the black pepper too.
Cool. All right, now we're gonna try these St. Louis. Okay, there you go. Nice smoke ring on these as well. Let's see what it tastes like. Uncle Steve's got it going on, y'all. His competition pig powder, I think it's called. Folks, that's some fine stuff. You know what I really like about the Pit Barrel Cooker is that as these ribs are hanging, that grease from the fat in the ribs falls into the charcoal down below and perfumes the meat, giving you that like almost like a grilled type flavor, but you also get the smoke flavor, and they cook a whole lot faster. Actually, usually about 3.5 hours they're done. Okay, I had some stuff going on, so I didn't pull them until 4 hours in, but these are good, y'all. Just look, I mean,
Yeah, wrap that up so I can come get some more.
all right. Like Karen said, we got to go. So you got to eat. So appreciate y'all joining us. Hang on, folks. If y'all enjoyed this, y'all be sure and give me some thumbs up. Hope you share the video. Y'all go check out the links down below in the description box. Uncle Steve, Pit Barrel Cooker, and all the Dalstrong Knives and all that. But yeah, y'all give me some thumbs up. Hope you share the video. When you do, please tell all of your friends that T. Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all next time.